Hello friends, we're going to do a quick overview of, today I have the Chaves Knives Ultramar bolt action pen, the titanium. It's a solid sleeve, polished with the skull clip. Thanks for stopping in. How are you guys doing today? It's a quick story. Wonderful company I ordered this from. I wanted a pen. Been looking around. The Chaves just, I don't know. I liked it. So looked around. Found EK Knives, ekknives.com or eknives.com. Got excited, made the order. Then saw first comers to the website. If you make an account, you get 2,500 bonus points, which counts as $25 off your first order. So, looked down and saw that they actually had a local in United States phone number. Called it, talked to somebody immediately. They canceled my original order, made a new order, got 25 bucks off. Needless to say, I got a wonderful deal. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing and the review overview. So I've just been looking for a pen to put in my EDC lineup. Sweet, I like peppermint patties. Always like a sticker, that's awesome. Hey, eknives.com. Personal note. Thank you for supporting EK, we really appreciate you. Hope you love your Chaves bolt action pen. Have a nice day. Misty. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Misty. I love that box. That's so cool. The Ultramar. Magnetic. That's neat. Dun, 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 dun. So cool. There it be. Love that pocket clip. Squeaky. Good size. Nice weight to it. So cool. Excited. Let me get a... Well, there it is. Like I said, 4.85 ounces. Let me double check here. Excuse me. It's 4.85 inches. We can weigh it real quick. I've definitely never been excited about a pen before in my life. First time for everything, right? Alright, let's get some of this stuff out of the way here. 2 ounces. Oh, 1.9. Okay, call it 2. 2 ounces doesn't usually feel heavy, but for a pen, it feels pretty heavy. I don't know, guys. What do you think of it? You guys carry a pen in your EDC? What do you carry in your EDC? Let me know. Comment below. Thanks for stopping in. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one, everybody.